Hey guys, I got a new humidifier for my friend, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So this is it in slow, and then this is it in high. Isn't that so cool? So on my old one, it's like really.
So why do you need one?
Because this one is smaller for my nose, because sometimes it bleeds and it's scratchy, and then in the inside and the outside and stuff. So I need this to protect me. And so it's all filled up with that water, and that water comes out in steam. And then the charger is really cool because it's plugged in into the couch so that I can work. And so I like this light pink on the lid, and then I like this light pink at the bottom. And so I hope you guys love this video. Comment down below, check more of my videos, and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Bye guys!